Hello everybody, it's me. You probably know me. I've made a video with Danie. I'm gonna put his name in the description below. So remember to check this out. So today I'm gonna show you 3 of the coolest fidget spinners for me. So first one is this green one. The special about it it's that you can take it, and when you take it, you can't do it with one finger, and it lights up. Isn't this cool? And it has a other version. I think that's the coolest one. And second one, it's the American one. It's not from America. It's just I bought it here for $4 in Bulgarian. So it's just the American flag. And the third one, the star. It has 5, and you can protect yourself when you do it like this and punch the person that you want to punch. It hurts a lot. So next video I'll probably do, if we hit 2 likes on this video, I'm saying 2 likes, I'm going to do fidget spinner versus my hair. And the next video I'm going to be giving away this fidget spinner. So if you want to go to the giveaway, just punch the like button and subscribe and write I want the blue spin, #blue spinner, and that's all your answer. So bye.